Hi everyone, and welcome to Frank's 3D Shop. On Facebook, in the pages for 3D printers, I see a lot of people suggesting to install a glass bed. That it is easier, faster, and does not need glue, hairspray, or any other adhesive. It's entirely flat and makes bed leveling a breeze. Best thing since sliced bread. Today, let's install a glass bed on my Monoprice Mini Select V2. Let's print a Z-spacer for the Monoprice. It will be needed if we can't lower the bed enough.
So here you see two models of the Z-spacer.
First, we need to remove the old build tack. I will use dental floss to detach the glue and clean the bed with a solvent of some kind to remove all of the glue.
As you will see, this is a long process. I use the dental floss to remove the build tack and then use a tape off. I tried some other solvent, but this one was the best for the job, and with a scraper and some elbow grease I was able to remove all of the glue, and that process took me about 30 minutes.
Secondly, cut the glass to the bed size.
So I found a glass from an old picture frame and I'm going to cut it with a glass cutter. And don't forget to put some oil on that roller for the glass cutter. And I sand the corners so that I don't cut myself. So here I attach it to the bed to measure the corners and remove the corners. And again sand the edges so that I don't cut myself.
And in third, clean the glass. Wash the glass with regular hand soap. Rinse it thoroughly with warm water and dry it with a cloth.
So now that it's all cleaned, let's put it back on the bed and reattach it with paper clips. Two on the front and two on the back.
Let's test this new bed.
First, what I do is I push down the bed completely and home the axis. And it's a little too close for my taste. And I don't have any room, so I'm gonna add the Z-spacer. Here I have to just cut a bit so that it fits. That's it. It's in place. Now let's try to print without any adhesive. Oh, and I did relevel the bed after adding the Z-spacer. Oops, and as you see, yeah, it's not sticking enough. I don't know if it's the glass that is too old or something that I did wrong, but anyway, I'm just gonna put some paper glue as I do with my other printers. And now it sticks really well.
And that's it for me. As usual, your comments are welcome. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and push that little bell if you want to be notified of new video coming from me. Ciao, bye!